Came by UPS, and I thought, oh, it's a book. And it's super flat. Let's see what this flat map looks like. Aha. Alright. Okay. Instructions, products. Here we go. Cardboard. Alright, so it's a globe and a map. Oh, time to use my deer antler. Let's see, where should I open it without damaging it? This is a very nice wrapper. Shiny silver. At first I wanted the blue one, but I decided I've already got that. Right? Let's see how that compares. It's going to be very similar in scale, isn't it? Let's see about that. Ah, there he is. Is that him? Did he ever do this? At any rate, long live Buckminster Fuller. Look at that. Shout out to Brendan Ravenhill. Brilliant designer that got the patent for this before I did. So, big up to you. And he did such a great job, it works perfectly. Yeah, it's not the true Dymaxion, they had to split. They have to make it a perfect icosahedron. And that way it's super simple. Magnets go under as tabs, and there you go. Comes apart very, very easily, but it stays together very, very well as well. You can spin on any axis. And as far as scale, let's see if I was right. So we go here, see if it fits. Has to be perfect. Ta-da!